Good afternoon, everybody. So I have today the Hello Kitty Coolness Humidifier. This is from Crane. I got it online for about $35 through Walmart.com. I will say that this is my first humidifier that I've experienced. It's very simple in terms of the pieces. I believe you have the cover, you have the reservoir, and then the actual base itself. So I'll go deconstruct all this for you and just show you all the pieces. So this is the cover that the mist comes out of. This is the actual tank that when you fill it up, you'll fill it up through this here. And once it, actually, yes, when you fill it up, you'll unscrew this. The water will go in here. You'll take this part off, screw the cap back on, and then when you come back, it will be placed on top of this basin here. This is the light for the, there's a night light feature in here, and all the water will come here, and it will steam out through this hole here.
And then there is no filter.
There's no filter.
That's good with that humidifier.
It's very easy to clean. Basically use a little bit of white vinegar and a water solution, and you'll put that in here, shake it up for about 15 seconds, and then you'll let it sit for about 30 minutes, and you'll rinse with cold water. This is only for cold water. You mainly want to use water that comes from the faucet. If your water is too hard, I would say use distilled water. Okay, so this goes back on top like so. I will demonstrate the light feature, what that looks like. So once this is all on.
Oh wait, I will turn off the light for them to see it.
Okay, so this is the light here.
You need to.
There it is. So it has a nice little purple glow. So I will now fill this up with water so we can see how that works, okay? So this
Turn
is
it off. It's
It is-
already off.
It is off.
Okay.
Yeah, this light goes down. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and
So
fill it up with
you
water.
need to rotate it on and off.
Yes, and this will adjust your settings. It says do about 30 to 40%, depending on the amount of humidity that's already in your room.
So if it is off, there is no light. But if it is on, there is a light here, and then that's the time you can press this button to make it glow. Ooh la la. And then turn it off, push it again, and then turn it off. And then basically the light will disappear. Okay.
So I'm going to fill up the reservoir now. They say not to, once the reservoir is filled, not to hold it from this handle. You actually want to hold it with two hands from the bottom like this. Okay?
Okay,
So
but you need to take out this first.
okay. So I'll go ahead and remove the tag. Okay?
Okay.
So let's go ahead and fill this thing up. Step into my office. Okay, so now we're going to fill this up here. Just use cold water only.
Make sure it was cold, huh?
It is. I know. Almost filled.
You have filled it full.
Yes.
Was it tight? Make sure it's tight.
Okay. Now I'm going to put this back on. Okay, so in one motion, we will do it like this.
Gently.
All right. So now put the cover back on. Turn it on. So now it's green because it has water.
Okay.
So now we will look for the vapor.
I will.
And it's already emitting some vapor right now. You just need to.
I will turn off the light so they can see it, or
No, you can see it now. It's just very faint.
yeah.
Yeah.
Can feel
So
it. Wow,
you want to
so
turn.
cool.
You want to turn it to where the vapor is coming up like this. That way, it's getting absorbed in the air. When you have it turned too far over, it
Oh.
spews out quicker, and it won't. It will cascade down. So you want it like this, the way it's coming up like that.
I can see it. Maybe I will turn off the light. See if I can. Let's check.
That doesn't help.
That's the light.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Yeah, you won't see it from there.
Yes. Oops. But it was so good.
Mm-hmm.
It was nice.
You know what? You can probably see it if I were to. No, not white, black. See, put this like this for a second. Okay, look. Come here. See? Not that ear, this ear.
Yeah, I cannot see it.
No, you're looking at the wrong ear. This ear, honey.
No.
Okay, well, trust us. It's coming up. So.
Yeah, I can feel it. It's so cool.
Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to clear off. You want to make sure that the base is a nice flat surface. You don't want to have any towels or any wood, because the moisture from this, if you have it on for too long and the mist comes out, it can sometimes damage wood surfaces. You don't want to have any metal next to it. So probably the end result of where we'll have this, you don't have it out of direct sunlight too. You
And
want
then
to
there is also a manual included.
probably have it about right here. Okay.
And what is the purpose of having a humidifier?
It adds moisture to the room, and it will also, it's good for colds if you're congested. It will clear the mucus.
Especially for the babies, kids.
Yes. Okay. So this is it. This is the Hello Kitty Cool Mist Humidifier. I do highly recommend you get one. It's good for the health, and also, you know, if you're a big fan of Hello Kitty, it's also perfect for you. It's also perfect for that too. Okay?
Me, I am a big fan of Hello Kitty. So there is also a instruction here. Fill, place, set, and then no hard water. How to clean.
Empty and clean, and then store it in a nice cool place.
Yeah. So that's it. Hello Kitty Cool Mist Humidifier. Thank you guys for watching.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.